What is the SAP Business Application Studio? The SAP BRS is a powerful integrated development environment that accelerates your application development. Whether SAP UI5, Python, Fury-Card, full-stack cloud applications or SAP HANA native applications, the BRS offers a wide range of options for extending and supplementing your SAP and non-SAP systems, allowing you to pursue a clean core strategy, for example. There are numerous templates, a user-friendly interface such as a clear structured project view, and the option to model data graphically. The option to use a low-code development approach is also particularly practical. Once you have checked your development after the one-click preview, you can use the applications immediately with the fast development, for example in SAP Build Workzone. The intuitive user interface makes it easy for developers of all levels to navigate and create. The three most important use cases for the BRS are: first, to develop web applications quickly and securely. Second, extend your SAP solutions whether on-premise or in the cloud without changing them. And third, extend your own developments on the SAP Business Technology Platform. With SAP BRS, you can say goodbye to fragmented development processes. It offers integrated lifecycle management that seamlessly links the development, testing and deployment phases. This ensures a smooth transition from code creation to application development, reduces the risk of errors and accelerates time to market. Have fun with the #1 service at SAP BTP.